Yeah. Here we go.
Hello, my lovely kids. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Yes? Very nice. And welcome you all in the Puchku TV. So, what are we going to learn today? Today we are going to learn a special letter. And what is this? This is letter J. But before we start the letter J, we will do the sound of letter J through rhymes. So, do you want to do the rhymes? Yes? Let's start. Okay, do with ma'am. Okay? Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? With it, ja. Once more, yes. Jelly on jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? With it, ja. So, my lovely student, did you enjoy the rhymes? Yes? Good. And what is the sound of letter J? What is the sound? Tell me. What is the sound of letter J? J. Jug. Very nice. This is the sound of letter J. Okay, do you want to play a game? Yes? Show me your both thumbs. Very good. In this game, you will find the picture of letter J. And you have to find the picture of letter J and then circle it. Okay? This is the game. So let's start. Find the picture of J and then circle it. Jug, circle it. Jeep, circle it. Jade, circle it. Juice, circle it. Now let's do the words of letter J. So let's do. J is for jug. J is for joker. Joker. J is for juice. Juice. J is for jade. Jade. J is for jump. Jump. J is for jam. Jam. J is for jeep. Jeep. Very nice. Clap for yourself. So, my lovely student, did you enjoy the session? Yes? Give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, and ma'am will meet you in the next session. Till then, bye-bye.